Question. Provision for bad and doubtful debts is created in anticipation of actual bad debts on the basis of options A. Business entity concept, option B. Conservation concept, option C. Going concern concept, option D. Full disclosure concept. Answer option B. Conservation concept. Question. Balance in a petty cash book is options an expense, option B a profit, option C an asset, option D none of the above. Answer option C an asset. Next question. Corporate governance ensures that managers look after the interest of options A. The government, option B. The board of directors, option C. The stakeholders, option D. The general public. Answer option C. The stakeholders. The process of converting share certificates in physical form into electronic form. Options A. Rematerialization, option B. Dematerialization, option C. Gmaterialization, option D. None of the above. Answer option B. Dematerialization. The ratio used to evaluate the ability of a firm to meet its short-term obligation is options A. Solvency ratios, option B. Profitability ratios, option C. Liquid ratios, option D. Activity ratios. Answer option C. Liquid ratios. The origin of auditing can be traced back to options A. 1914, option B. 1494, option C. 1956, option D. 1949. Answer option B. 1494. Next question. Statistics is the science of counting. Whose statement is this among the following? Options A. Bowley, option B. Carl Pearson, option C. Kimball, option D. Boddington. Answer option A. Bowley. Provides accounting information useful to management. Options A. Financial accounting, option B. Ledger, option C. Profit and loss account, option D. Management accounting. Answer option D. Management accounting. Question. It is a budget in capsule form. Options A. Flexible budget, option B. Master budget, option C. Sales budget, option D. Fixed budget. Answer option B. Master budget. The evidence of a contract of insurance is options A. Policy, option B. Insurer, option B. Subject matter, option D. Premium. Answer option A. Policy.